I don't want to be a frog. Written by Dev Petty, illustrated by Mike Boldt. I want to be a cat. You can't be a cat. Why not? Because you're a frog. I don't like being a frog. It's too wet. Well, you can't be a cat. I want to be a rabbit. You can't be a rabbit. Why not? Look, I can hop. Sure, but where are your long ears? Besides, what's wrong with being a frog? I don't like being a frog. It's too slimy. That may be, but you can't be a rabbit. I want to be a pig. You can't be a pig. Why not? Most of all because you're a frog, but also because you don't have a curly tail or eat garbage. I can eat garbage. Everyone says that until they eat garbage. Sorry, you can't be a pig. I want to be an owl. Of course you want to be an owl. Being an owl is the greatest thing ever. Boy, would you love being an owl. So can I be an owl then? No, of course not. Why not? 1, you don't have wings. 2, you don't look wise. 3, you can't turn your head all the way around. 4, you are a frog. What's wrong with being a frog anyway? Too much bug eating. I see. But still, no being an owl for you.
Why so glum?
I don't want to be a frog.
What do you want to be then?
Not a frog. I want to be a cat or a rabbit or a pig or an owl, something cute and warm.
I'm going to let you in on a little secret. I love eating cats. I love eating rabbits and pigs and owls too. And I am pretty hungry. I might just go gobble some up right now.
That's terrible.
It's who I am. But guess the one thing I never eat.
Badgers?
No, I eat badgers. Lots of badgers.
Frogs?
Bingo.
Why don't you eat frogs?
Because they're too wet and slimy and full of bugs.
Oh, so it's good to be a frog.
Yep.
I guess you can't fight nature. We are what we are. You are a fierce hunter.
And you are a wet, slimy, bug-eating, very lucky frog. You should just be happy you're not a fly.
What's wrong with being a fly? Would you want to be a frog?